Are you tired of spending a fortune on meals? Well, we've got you covered. Get ready to write down our top 10 meals that you can make for around $3. Egg fried rice. A quick and economical dish using leftover rice, eggs, some vegetables like peas or carrots, and a bit of soy sauce for flavor. Spaghetti aglio e olio. This is a simple Italian pasta dish made with spaghetti, garlic, olive oil, and optional red pepper flakes. Bean burritos. Use canned beans, a sprinkle of cheese, and a flour tortilla. Add some rice or vegetables for extra filling. Tuna salad sandwich. Mix canned tuna with mayonnaise and add it to bread. Include lettuce or tomato if they fit within the budget. Lentils are very affordable and can be made into a nutritious soup with vegetables and spices. A batch of homemade pancakes is quite inexpensive, especially if you top them with something simple like a little sugar or syrup. Grated cheese and tomato soup. A classic combo that's filling and can be made quite cheaply, especially with canned tomato soup. Use whatever vegetables are on sale or inexpensive and stir-fry them with some soy sauce and serve with rice. A large baked potato can be a meal in itself, especially when topped with items like cheese, sour cream, or canned chili. And finally, a homemade pizza. Buy the base or make your own using a simple dough of flour, water, yeast, and salt. You can make a brilliant pizza base. Top it with a bit of tomato sauce and cheese, and any other toppings that fit within your budget. These ideas are cost-effective and can be adjusted based on what ingredients are available at a lower cost in your region. Remember, buying in bulk, using seasonal produce, and utilizing leftovers wisely can help in stretching your budget further. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more incredible food discoveries. Until next time, happy eating!